With the Business User Contract Request complete, let's show you how AI Playbooks and AI Assist accelerate first-line reviews of contracts by identifying clause presence, flagging risks, enforcing clause rules, and helping draft red lines. Right from the contract details page, you can see there are at least 2 clauses that Ironclad's AI has flagged as needing to be fixed before the contract can be executed. Let's click in to get more details. Starting at the bottom of the playbook, Ironclad will flag clauses it can detect in the document out of the 175 that come pre-configured and the custom clauses that have been trained by the customer. These clauses don't have any rules associated to them yet. Clicking on a clause like force majeure will bring you to that exact clause in the document, making navigating large contracts much easier. If you find a clause that you think belongs in your playbook while redlining, you can easily copy the language from the document and add it to the playbook as a position. Based on the playbook rules we have pre-configured for this workflow, Ironclad has determined that there are at least 12 acceptable clauses and 3 that need review. Here we will see that data protection is flagged as missing from the document and needs to be reviewed. We will mark it down as not present since we couldn't find it in the document and it is required. We will request an exception from EVA Legal Executive as specified by our playbook rules. AI Playbooks has also flagged governing law as out of compliance. Here the counterparty expressed they want this contract governed out of Colorado, and this is out of compliance with our playbook rules. We can explore the positions that are pre-approved by clicking into our playbook and selecting the preferred option of California. With a click of a button, we can insert our standard language and automatically add a comment explaining our red line to the counterparty. In the last example, non-solicitation is a clause that is not allowed in MSAs according to our playbook rules, so it has been flagged for removal. With a click, we can automatically strike it from the document, which will change the playbook flag to acceptable. In addition to playbooks, AI Assist powered by OpenAI's ChatGPT-4 can help support negotiation by drafting recommended red lines. Let's take this confidentiality clause for example. If we highlight the section, an option to draft red lines allows us to add a prompt. We can use the Get Suggestions button for negotiation recommendations and prompts to add. In this case, we want to make this section mutual, so we will enter that as a prompt and submit. Within seconds, multiple suggested red lines appear for us to choose from. We can scroll through the options and select the best one to insert into the document, or simply recraft our prompt to see more. Lastly, AI Assist can help us summarize several pages of the contract. We simply need to highlight a big block of text and Ironclad will produce a short summary to help us digest what is in the contract.